Look at this little one, so happy and carefree. The whole world is like a playground for them. In the golden sunshine, in the green garden, they're not just playing but truly living life. Every moment is filled with joy, every movement shows pure innocence. Sometimes chasing butterflies, sometimes trying to catch their own tail. This is what real life is all about, friends. No stress, no worries. Just a yellow ball, some sunshine, and the pure joy of playing freely. We should also learn to enjoy these simple little pleasures. Because in the end, these simple moments are what we remember most. That's what life means, enjoy every moment, just like this little furry friend. Isn't it adorable when they look at the world with those innocent eyes? Everything is new for them, every place needs to be explored. Among the yellow flowers, in the sunny garden, they're roaming around like royalty in their tiny world. Sometimes swinging on slides, sometimes sleeping peacefully on cushions. Honestly, we should all live like this too. Stress-free, happy, and finding joy in every little thing. These cats are teaching us how simple and beautiful life can be. We just need to take some time, enjoy a little. So let's promise from today, live each day like a cat, carefree and full of joy. In this yellow theme, our fluffy friends are in full fun mode. From gardens to playgrounds, adventures are happening everywhere. Some playing with balls, some climbing trees, and some just chilling in lazy mode on yellow blankets. This is the real content life, no drama, only fun. Seeing this makes your heart happy, right? That's what we need in life. Some sunshine, some play, and lots of love. Cats remind us every day that happiness is in the little things. So smile, enjoy, and spread these positive vibes.